Hi guys, welcome back to the Python data science tutorial series. So in today's episode, we will focus on one of the most exciting and essential parts of data science, which is data visualization. We will explore two powerful Python libraries. The first one is Matplotlib for creating basic plots, and the second one is Seaborn for advanced, visually stunning graphics. By the end of this video, you will be able to create compelling visualization that make your data tell a story. So let's start. So the question is, what is data visualization? Before we start coding, let's quickly understand what data visualization is and why it's important. Data visualization is the graphical representation of data. It allows you to understand patterns and trends, identify outliers and relationships, communicate findings effectively. Whether you are presenting results to stakeholders or exploring datasets, good visualizations are crucial. Now let's start with the Matplotlib. The first one is plotting with Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is the foundation of data visualization in Python. Now let's start by creating a simple line plot. First, we import the Matplotlib library. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, select the environment. Okay, now it's work fine. Now data x equal to square brackets 1 2 3 4 5, y equal to 10 20 30 25 30 and 35. Now creating a line plot. Okay, for this we use this name plt dot use a built-in function which is plot. Now it will take some arguments x, y and label equal to line plot. Okay, now give the title is also a built-in function. Here we write simple line plot. Okay, now what should be the label at x-axis? X label is also a built-in function. X-axis. Same for the y-axis. Now if you want to show the legend, so use plt dot legend. Here I am commenting, it's optional. Okay, now show the plot. Run the code. Now here you can see the simple line plot. Now here we plotted a line chart with labeled axis, a title and a legend. This one. Matplotlib gives you complete control over your plot's appearance. Okay, so Matplotlib also supports other type of charts such as bar charts and scatter plots. So let's create them. First we will create a bar chart. We already discussed it in our last video. So declare a variable categories to A, B, C, D. Now declare another variable which is values 5, 7, 3, 8. Okay, now again use plt dot. Now we use bar. It also get the parameters. So the first one is category, the second one is values, and what's the color? Now we use sky blue. What should be the title? Bar chart. Now show the bar chart. Okay, now the second one is a scatter plot. Okay, so for a scatter plot, declare a variable x equal to 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, y equal to 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Now again we use a plot. Now this time we use scatter. Again it will get three parameters x, y, and color. But the color is optional. We use it later. Okay, so what should be the title? Scatter plot plt dot show. Now here you can see the scatter plot. So okay, let's add some color to this one. Color equal to red. Now again none. Now here you can see the dots color is changed. So bar charts are great for comparing categories, while scatter plots are ideal for showing relationship between two variables. Okay, so Matplotlib is powerful, but creating visually appealing and complex plots can take time. So that's where Seaborn comes in. Seaborn, Cborn. So Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib and makes it easier to create informative and attractive plots. So let's start by installing and importing Seaborn. So open your terminal, or you can also install from the Jupyter. So I'm using the Jupyter notebook using the exclamation mark and write pip install Cborn and run the code. Okay, we need to write it in code. Exclamation mark pip install Cborn. Okay, so requirements already satisfied. It means it's already downloaded. in my package. Okay, so let's dive into some common seaborn visualization. First, we create a histogram. So seaborn makes creating histograms straightforward, perfect for visualization, the distribution of your data. Histogram. Okay, so first we import the seaborn library as SNS, and the second one is import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Okay, so our sample data is 10, 12, 15, 20, 25, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, now how to display a histogram? Now we use this one SNS Seaborn SNS dot use histplot, which is a built-in function. It also gets some arguments. The first one is the data. The third one is bins equal to 5, KDE equal to true, and color is optional. So I'm using blue. So what should be the title for? Histogram. Now show plt dot show. Now run the code. Okay, so for the first time it takes some time. Again I am run this one. Okay. So here the KD equal to true parameter adds a smooth density curve to the histogram, making it more visually informative. Okay, now let's create a box plot to show the spread and outliers in your data, and a violin plot to visualize the data distribution. So the first one is a box plot. So for this again we use SNS dot box plot. Again it will take some parameter. Okay, so for this we declare a variable x equal to this one 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Now give this x, what should be the plt dot title box plot and show plt dot show. Now run. Okay, so this is the box plot. Now the second one is VIO violin plot. Okay, so for this again we use a SNS dot VIO violin plot. Again it will take a parameter x plt dot title VIOLIN violin plot and plt dot show. Okay, so this is the violin plot and this one is the box plot. So box plots are fantastic for identifying outliers while violin plots combine this with distribution insight. The next one is a pair plot relationship. Seaborn's pair plot is a powerful way to visualize relationship in a dataset. Is used for visualize relationship in a dataset. Okay, so sample dataset. Okay, now we import from Seaborn import load dataset. So data equal to load dataset, and we use the iris data. Okay, now pair plot. So for this again we use a SNS dot pair plot, pass the data, and hue equal to CIES species. Now plt dot show. Now here you can see. So here we use the famous iris dataset to create a pair plot. Each scatter plot shows relationship between pairs of features color coded by species. So this one is for the sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. So that's it for today's episode. We explored the basics of Matplotlib for simple plots and the power of Seaborn for advanced visualization. These libraries are essential for any data scientist or analyst looking to understand and communicate their data effectively. So, guys, in our next episode, we will discussing about data cleaning and pre-processing using Python. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments below and share your favorite visualization types. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.